From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
Days this work week, 4 days with highs in the 70s, and I got to tell you, we're not going to make it 5 tomorrow. This is going to be kind of a weird next 48 hours. The trade-off in tomorrow being cooler is because we're pushing the 70-degree day forward into Saturday, just kind of flip-flopping them, but the end game does not change. Sunday into Monday, we go back the opposite direction. This is your live look right now from the Sodas Point Lighthouse. What's all this stuff? It's kind of ominous, eerie. That's fog that has formed. We have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere right now, and I don't know if you know this, but the lake is still quite cold. Temperature is 61, dew point is 61, which means you better believe we're going to be watching some of that fog, especially over bodies of water. But there's a sweeper coming through with a frontal boundary over these next few hours. That will help the situation, kind of at least trying to scour out some of that moisture, but it's not going to be completely successful. Low clouds and fog are still going to be around here through the first part of the day tomorrow. A lot of upper 50s and low 60s. Everybody playing by the same general air mass right now, which is pretty saturated. It should not be a surprise that we are not done with the wet weather yet, in spite of the fact our angrier thunderstorms have pulled farther off to the east into New England. We're in a dead spot right now where it's not raining. Note off to the northwest here, slow-moving cluster with some outflow boundaries. If you look really close here, it's like this thin filament, like a ghost of green, out ahead of the main complex. You get the rain-cooled downdraft air. It hits the ground, can't go back up, it kind of flays outward, and it can be the trigger for new downpours out ahead of that. And that's what you're seeing. Look at the little guys get going right along the outflow boundary, and you just watch it in time. It will continue to just build farther off to the southeast. So it is going to rain again tonight, but not the whole night. And yes, there could be an isolated shower or two around for your Friday morning commute at the bus stop. Not the most pleasant, but certainly not the worst. If it's 50 degrees, that's at least comfortable from that standpoint. Issue is it doesn't move that much. It's going to take some time for the drier air to finally clear its way on out of here. At some point into the afternoon, we're going to get that sun to come out. And when that happens, hopefully, we get back to about the 60-degree mark. Into tomorrow night, my hope is that we have a partly cloudy sky. That is still going to be some fog over the open water, and that might be a touch of a problem, but we'll see how this goes. There's a northern lights potential tomorrow night, and I'll take whatever we can get. This is the first in a while that I don't have just a completely overcast sky to talk about. Saturday's partly cloudy to start, but later in the afternoon, here we go again. More rain and rumbles. The slower this takes to arrive, the greater our chance of getting to 80 degrees. Could be close. Showers will continue into Saturday night and early Sunday morning, eventually mixing with rain and some snow showers back late Sunday. Look at the pocket of colder air. That drops in from Canada, but this is late in the game, late in the season. It's here, it's gone. There will be improvement by the time we start going into the middle and latter part of next week. Not crazy warm, but better. It's a 1-2 punch here Sunday into Monday with the chill, and then you're back to 60 by Wednesday. We hope you're back with us after the break.